Well guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the brake pads. This is for Hyundai Elantra. This model is 2014. So I'm going to show you guys the front brakes and on the rear brakes. We're going to do all together. So first things first, we get the tire out of the way. So use a 21 millimeter. You just open 5 bolts. They're nuts, they're not bolts guys, these are lug nuts. So you take out 5 of them, and then you get out the tire, and then guys, this is our front caliper. So what we do guys, we have two 14 millimeter bolts on the sides. So what we do guys, we just get a 14 millimeter bolt just right there. Another thing guys, we get we get like a tool to hold that section. This is a grip pliers. So the grip pliers guys is going to help you so that when you're opening the bolt, it doesn't turn around guys with this other end. So you just hold with the grip pliers on right here, then you hold it well, you clip it, and then you get in your 14 millimeter, and then you start opening it up. Alright, opening it up guys is going to be anti-clockwise. Just once it loosens up like that, you can use a gun. There's a gun for opening it, or you can just use a regular wrench tool. And then once that is done, a ratchet, and then once that's done guys, you just get the ball out of there, and then you just remove your grip pliers from the way. And then guys, you pull it from below, just right here where my hand is. I just pull it like that. You don't open the top one, you just let it hang in there, and then you just open it all the way. Guys, it's going to move freely if your caliper is okay. But if it's stuck guys, that means maybe your caliper might be having a problem. So guys, you pick out the brake pad from this side like that, and then you can put it aside. You do it for the inner part. But guys, if you find out it's difficult to remove with your hand, you just look for flat Phillips, and then you just put inside there to be like kind of like a weight to pull it out. And then once it just pops it out like that guys, you should be able guys to get it out of the way. Okay, number 2 guys, I have a special caliper pressing tool. This is used guys to push back the caliper piston all the way to the end, so that when you're installing the new brakes, it doesn't guys block it, because already the caliper is already like way into is out. So if you put new brakes right now, it's going to prevent it from getting in, like from locking back. So guys, you can use this method, or you can use a flat Phillips, and then you can press it like right from behind here. You can just press it, like just squeeze it all the way, and then it goes back in. Alright guys, we come to the rear part. You take out the tire. Once that is out guys, we have the rear part looks a bit different from the front. So guys, we use a 14 millimeter the same. I'm using a flat because here guys, the ratchet cannot fit in, so I'm just going to use the flat and remove and I'll remove both bolts from the top and the bottom. So just see what I'm doing right here. So I'm just using for the bottom side. So guys, it's right here, so I'm just like picking out, just opening it up. Then once that's done guys, I just have to pull this thing out of the way. So I look for like a Phillips, because here it's a bit tighter. It's not like the other one I was pushing from one side. Just pull the Phillips, you pry it like that, then you pull it out like that guys. And then one thing you notice guys, in the rear one guys, there's like 4 kind of like holes or something on the piston. So guys, we remove the pads the same way we did for the front part. You just pull it like that, and then just get it out of the way. And then guys, remove the inner one, the same thing. And then one important thing guys to point out, when you're replacing your brakes, make sure you replace the brake the brake linings, not the lining guys, the thing that the brake rests on. I'll show you in a moment how to do this one right here. You have to replace it. when you're replacing your brakes, because I know most companies which sell you brakes, they sell you they bring together inside the packet with this brake stuff. And then once that is done, guys, you put back your brakes. And then one important thing, the rear one, rear brakes, make sure you put inside these brakes with the sensor. The sensor is the big thing which pops out from there, that metal thing. That's a sensor. Make sure you put them inside. Those ones go inside, both in the front and both in the rear. So guys, this important thing right here, guys, is you need, like, you don't need a special tool. You just need a long nose pliers. You make sure, guys, you hold the thing well, so that to push this piston back, you just make sure, guys, you put the long nose and then you hold it like tightly, and then you turn it clockwise, and then you keep rotating all the way until the piston is all the way in. Guys, if you don't do this, guys, you won't be able to put your new brakes in, because it's going to block it from getting in. So you just take your time and then you squeeze it. Guys, for those people who have like a special tool which you do that, you can use that and then you can make it work easier. But for this one, you just have to just turn around. It's just an everyday tool. I hope everybody has. So once you do like that, it goes all the way in like that, guys. So once it gets to the rubber place, that means your piston has gone all the way in. So next, we get our new brake brake rest right there, the new ones which came with the brakes. And then you just like squeezing it, and then make sure when you're squeezing it, guys, make sure it doesn't touch on the rotor. So once you do it from the side, and then you look from inside and outside, make sure your rotor is free from them. So just like that. So once that happens, you take in your brake, you do for the upper side too, you fit it in, so you make sure it sits on well. Sometimes it can give you a bit of trouble, guys, resting in there well. So take your time, squeeze it in well. Then once that is done, the thing which will tell us if that thing really worked out is just putting in the new brake pad. So here's our new brake pad. You just put in from here, you just like squeeze it in like that, and then make sure with the front end right here, and then it fits in like that. So we're good to go, guys. You do the rest the same way.